Hello, hello everyone. So, I've been stalking, as usual, my mailbox. The Simon Says Stamp April card kit has arrived. I'm excited. I've been anxiously awaiting this one. I say the same thing every single month, but anyway. Let's just get into this fabulous kit. Alrighty, so April 2019 card kit. This is the Hello Darling card kit. Candy, always love the candy. Okay, we have some fabulous stickers, some adhesive foam it looks like, gorgeous envelopes. I love the colors. Very pretty. Pretty. Okay, first things off, stamp set. It's gorgeous, big, 6 by 8 inch stamp set. This is the Hello Darling set. Love that great big sentiment. Two things. As soon as I look at it, it's like, ooh, you could ink this up with multiple colors. You could also heat emboss it with multiple colors because like it's so big. I like that a lot. But yeah, and I also love the small ones. So you could have Hello Darling and then, you know, you could heat emboss a little banner stamp, you know, miss you, thinking of you. And there's more sentiments. I like that little bike stamp as well. And then you've got 2 flower pot images and then like a whole bunch of leaves, stems, flowers. You could do hearts. How cute is this? This is such a great set. I love it. And then like more border images so you could make your own like patterns and whatnot. Love. So there's that. And then there is the Rain Boot Planter wafer die. And that's actually a lot bigger than I expected it to be. That is a good size. That is a really good size. I've seen some samples and stuff already, but in my head I was expecting it to be about this big. So I really want to start following in Nina Marie Trapani, like she designs for Simon. I really like what she's been doing with like, she'll take die cuts and then she paints them with watercolors. You die cut it and then paint it. That's something I still haven't done yet. And yet this would be perfect because, you know, you die cut it and then paint the boots, paint the flowers, like really simple. Isn't that pretty? So we have that. And then we have Simple Stories Spring Farmhouse. Their papers are 6 by 8 instead of 6 by 6. So heck, you could just frame that. Isn't that pretty? Ones like this, that's what I think of. It's like, this would look really pretty. Just stick it in a nice little frame and you're done. So they're double-sided. You just get all these pretty papers. Same thing. Even the patterns. Like you could do like a little feature wall. Just get a bunch of cheap little frames and frame, you know, all the different... That would look really nice. Just, you know, random thoughts. So yeah, that would look really nice. I think that would just be so pretty. Ooh, I like that stripe one though. So, just options. Lots and lots of options. These are really pretty papers though. I'm quite taken with them. I like a little coffee. Love you, coffee. So yeah, how fun is that? So there's those. And then we have, yeah, 2 4x6 sheets of Spring Farmhouse stickers to match those papers. So they're not flimsy stickers. They're not quite full on, like, they're not chipboard, but I would say like heavyweight cardstock stickers, which is also really nice. So yeah, you get 2 sheets of those. A bottle of Tonic Bohemian Teal Nouveau Vintage Drops. Funny story. I actually have all the vintage drops. I bought them a while ago. I think that was when I was really sick. So I don't think I ever showed them in a haul. The difference with the vintage drops versus all the other Nouveau drops that have, you know, there's glitter and gloss and all that stuff. These apparently, they dry matte. Not apparently, they do. Because I did test them and I can't find my little strip of them. But yeah, so it's just a very different look. So you get a little bottle, a little mini bottle to try them out, which is really fun. And then there is 6 by 6 craft, like chipboardy stuff that you can use as well to like pop things up. And then the envelopes and the cardstocks, you get all these gorgeous Simon envelopes. There's the shimmer one. I love their shimmer envelopes. They're so pretty. So you get that. Like all their envelopes are just so nice. Most of them are self-adhesive. never have enough Simon envelopes, and then Simon cardstock as well. And they're all matchy fabulousness. Like, isn't that awesome? Just this together just makes me really happy. It's like, yes. So that is the April 2019 Hello Darling card kit. As always, I will link to the kit below. I'll link to the subscription page. I'll link to the frequently asked questions. I'll link to everything that's available individually, like I always do. I will be back soon with cards and videos using these goodies. I like to get this up first and then dive into creating. So yeah, all that info will be in the description box below. I'll also link to my blog, etc. You guys know the drill. And I will see you all very soon in the next video.